Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a classic brown eye makeup look. Today I'm using Beauty Glazed Mix and Match palette. First of all, I'm using a crease brush and the shade called brown in my crease. I'm using the same crease brush and the shade called cream in my crease to give it a soft look. I'll be using the medium shader brush and the shade called chestnut under my crease and outer part of my eyelids. With the crease brush, now I will apply the shade called brown above the shade chestnut to give it a more soft look. With the same brush, now I will apply the shade called cream above the shade brown to make it look more blended. With an angled shaping brush, I will apply the shade chestnut under my crease and the outer part of my eyelids. With the same brush, now I will apply the shade called black to give it a more intense look. With the blending brush, now I will blend all these colors together. With the concealer, I will create a half cut crease. Now, with the medium shader brush, I will apply the shade brown in the middle part of my eyelids. With a medium shader brush, I will apply the shade chestnut in the outer part of my eyelids. The same brush, now I will apply the shade black in the outer part of my eyelids and also under my crease. With a medium shader brush, I will apply the shade called ivory in the frontal part of my eyelids. With the same brush, now I will apply the shade chestnut underneath my lashes. With an angled shading brush, now I will apply the shade cream underneath my eyelashes to give it a more blended look. I will apply eyeliner, but sorry, I forgot to record that. And now I'm applying mascara. With a small defined brush, I will apply golden highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. With a fan brush, I will apply highlighter underneath my brow bone. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.